How to add a bank account in the Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a bank account to your Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just open the Cash App on your Android device and sign into your account if you haven't already. And just tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner of your home screen. Once you tap on the bank icon, you will see this kind of interface. So over here, you have to select the option called Add a Bank, or you can simply select linked accounts as well. Once you do that, follow the prompts to add your bank account details. Now proceed to add credit card to add a specific credit or debit card section, and enter the credit or debit card number which you see over here, and select the button that says add card, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you select the button that says add card, continue to the done button. Now if you can't link your bank account to your Cash App account for some reason, then you can also try the another thing, that is to run the Cash App and then go to the balance tab. Once you come to the balance tab, go to the cash out section and select how much you would like to cash out, and choose a standard, which means 1 to 3 days option over here. Proceed to search the field and enter Cash App. Click select add manually and type in your routing and account number, and that's all it takes to add your bank account to Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.